How to change the theme of your Discord device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can change the appearance of your Discord in Windows 11. So in order to change the appearance of Discord, the user settings right below, and within the user settings, you can see different types of features listed here. So from here, scroll down and within the app setting, you will see appearance. The appearance and you will see that you have these particular free themes that you can apply. So basically these are the default theme and currently it is set to dark, and if you want a more darker onyx version then you can simply choose the onyx version from here and it is more darker. Apart from that, you also have color themes that you can unlock with Nitro as well, and also you have the options of in-app icons and other things as well, which you can also unlock with Nitro as well. So for free, basically there are these 4 or 5 options in which you can choose any of the following. You also have the sync with computer option to sync the theme best suitable for your computer theme. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.